I'm Lauren Hall, back with your daily news. It is the Saturday, the 28th of January, 1978. Today, we have been given the news that the strongest, most destructive blizzard has hit the Ohio River Valley and Great Lakes area on the 26th of January. Michigan has been hit especially hard with 22 inches of snow. Here's Logan, who is in Michigan.
Thanks, Lauren. Right now I'm in Muskegon, Michigan on the January 28th. When the storm first hit, there was extremely high freezing winds maxing out at 55 miles an hour. Temperatures dropped to very low, to 0 degrees. Snow was coming down very hard, leaving inches upon inches of snow very quickly. The roads were completely covered in high levels of snow and starting to melt at the moment. The snow levels were so high that some houses are buried here. As you can see behind me, cars are buried in the snow and houses. Back to you, Lauren.
Thanks, Logan. We have been told that transportation will be shut down for the next few days in these areas. Stay safe indoors and do not try to go outside. Today, we have been contacted 2 people who are eyewitnesses of the storm and their stories. Here's Logan interviewing Marty Spalding, who is trapped outside far from his home
Hi, I'm in Michigan with Marty Spalding, one of the survivors of the storm. Marty, what was it like during that storm?
It was 6 a.m. on a Thursday morning. It was very dark, and I was reopening the store I work for in the morning for the staff coming in. I was told that none of my coworkers were able to drive through the impassable road, so I had to walk 45 minutes to my house. I was freezing, and I didn't know what to do, so I just tried digging with my bare hands. I had to dig 2 feet down just to get into my doorknob.
Why did you end up walking? Why would you not stay out indoors at work?
I was forced to walk because my car was completely buried in snow, so I had no other choice. I had no food or supply in the store, and I wasn't sure how long I would be trapped, so I had to walk to my house.
Wow, Marty, that's a crazy story. Glad you're safe. Here we have another eyewitness, Bob, who was stuck inside his house during this disaster.
I'm here with someone who was in his house with no power, running low on food. Babatunde Alatunji. So Bob, what was going through your head during the storm?
I did not know what was going on. My whole house was dark and my power was out. I couldn't see a thing. I used a candle to get around my house and to find food. I was running low on supplies of food and water. The snow was coming down as hard as ever. I wasn't sure how long it would take. The snow was building up on my house, and either I would get to escape or the roof would collapse on me.
How are you feeling during this time of the storm?
I was terrified, not having resources and being unsure of what was going on around you is very scary. I'm just happy I made it out alive.
Those are some crazy stories by 2 eyewitnesses of this destructive storm. We are praying for all the families that have been affected by this.